Guys, with all of the top cryptos almost going straight up, we've got a lot to be discussing in today's video and what to expect. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, Shiba has pumped massively, over 40% here just within the last few days. Is it the time to get in? Is it the time to sell? Guys, that's what I'm keeping you guys up to date on my Patreon. With Ethereum over 3,600, Bitcoin almost 60,000. Guys, we've got a lot to look forward to because the rest of the altcoins continue to follow up along with them. Guys, an article just came out titled, Bitcoin's price is back at 50K, but exactly how bullish are the bulls? Bitcoin futures markets premium and options risk gauge shows no sign of excessive leverage or FOMO from traders yet. Guys, with less fear in the marketplace and a lot more greed, people are starting to FOMO in. They're starting to get in on the uptrend, which is what I teach you guys not to do. And that's why you want to swim with the whales, and that's what I teach you to do, to get in at the dips when they're steep enough. Guys, there's traders that were shorting that are now moving and becoming bullish because they see how bullish the markets are right now. With a lot more people pouring into the crypto market space every single day, especially with how bullish and how much FOMO is going on right now, we will see massive pumps in very short periods of time. It's completely normal when there is such high trading volume. Another article came out titled, Ethereum Fractal from 2017, that resulted in $7,000 gains. For Ethereum appears again in 2021. The eerie deja vu scenario can see Ethereum hit $13,000 within 6 months. If history repeats. The indicators that are contained within this fractal is exactly what happened back in 2017. And the sort of pattern being triggered as to what we saw when we saw those 7,000% gains are expected to happen soon. Guys, you want to be ready for this. I certainly am positioned very well, and you should be too. Guys, I don't talk about the pump and dump coins. I talk about the real coins with real backing, the top 10, the top 20, the ones that I know will have a great future and will provide a great income for the folks on my Patreon. The ones that have already been providing us a great income over the months. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Use case, hype, and community behind a coin is what gets me behind a coin, and that's what should get you guys behind coins as well. Traders pile into altcoins as Bitcoin bulls take hold of 50K. A lot of the top altcoins have rallied 20% as Bitcoin attempts to flip 55K. Guys, with so many altcoins pumping massively, so much green candlesticks on the charts, it's happening because Bitcoin is rallying. Bitcoin is going near 60K because the big whales and institutions know that it's undervalued prior to the next few months that are scheduled to be very, very bullish historically. They're getting in because they have more confidence than anyone that this is going to be very, very valuable. And that's why I'm in. I'm all in because I know these next few months are going to be incredibly green. Guys, about a year ago, when we saw Bitcoin go from 10,000 to 64,000, it was over a period of 200 days. Guys, it takes time. It never goes straight up, never goes straight down. That's just not how the stock market or crypto markets work. So you must be patient, accept the volatility, accept the cool down corrections periods when they happen, because they're completely normal and healthy for a strong bull run. And because we've seen so much growth for Bitcoin over the last few days, that's why Dogecoin is pumped. It's pumped even more than Bitcoin's profits, and that's totally normal for Dogecoin to outperform Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's historically how it keeps happening, and that's why people love Dogecoin oftentimes even more than Bitcoin. And guys, when we take a look at the Dogecoin chart, as you can see, we're going straight up. We went down a bit right here, having normal cooldown corrections for our bull run, but then we're headed straight up once again. Sure, we have our peaks and our dips, that's completely normal. However, we've hit the top so many times with a triple top. It is very, very bullish, and we will continue to go up, likely breaking levels of resistance here just within the next few days. So you want to be ready for that. You want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out, and to sell when we reach our peak, and I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.